Hello and welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, I have a small challenge for us. Can we hit 50 likes on this video? Today, we'll address an issue many of you might be familiar with, that something went wrong. Try again later, error on Google Bard. Let's tackle this together. First up, that error message we all dread. It's quite a roadblock, but I have some solutions to get you past it. If you've come across this error, one simple solution might be to wait for a short while. A viewer, Jake, mentioned that waiting a couple of weeks resolved it for him, but if patience isn't your strong suit, here's another approach. Consider clearing your browser's history. It's a bit like giving your browser a fresh start. A quick tip for those using VPNs, you might want to turn it off when accessing Google Bard. Occasionally, VPNs can be the culprit behind such errors. Now, a few rapid suggestions for you. 1. Double-check your internet connection. 2. Ensure your browser is updated. 3. Consider accessing Bard via an incognito or private browsing window. To wrap things up, I hope these solutions help you navigate that frustrating error on Google Bard. Remember our goal of 50 likes, and if this video proves useful, consider subscribing. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll catch you in the next one.